Gardening is a rewarding pursuit, connecting us with nature and beautifying our surroundings. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, having the right skills and equipment is essential. Proper techniques and reliable tools are the foundation of a thriving garden. In this lesson, we'll explore the fundamental skills and tools needed to create and maintain a beautiful landscape. From understanding mowing patterns to mastering pruning techniques, each skill plays a crucial role. Similarly, having the appropriate tools, from lawnmowers to pruning shears, can make all the difference. By acquiring these skills and equipping yourself with the right tools, you'll be well on your way to creating a garden that brings you joy for years to come. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and experimentation. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, make mistakes, and learn as you go. A lush, healthy lawn is often the centerpiece of a well-maintained garden. Achieving that perfect carpet of green requires more than just running a mower over it. Understanding basic mowing techniques such as mowing patterns and blade height is crucial. Begin by choosing the right mowing pattern. Alternating your mowing direction each time prevents soil compaction and promotes upright growth. Instead of mowing in the same circular pattern, try alternating between horizontal and vertical stripes or even diagonal lines. Adjusting the blade height is equally important. Cutting your grass too short, known as scalping, weakens the grass and makes it more susceptible to diseases and pests. As a general rule, never remove more than 1/3 of the grass blade height in a single mowing session. Planting may seem straightforward, but success lies in the details. Careful plant selection, soil preparation, and proper spacing are crucial elements for healthy growth and a thriving garden. Before you head to the garden center, take some time to assess your garden's conditions. Consider the amount of sunlight different areas receive, the soil type, and your local climate. Choose plants that are well suited to these conditions to ensure their success. Preparing the soil is equally important. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller to improve drainage and aeration. Amend the soil with compost or other organic matter to provide essential nutrients for plant growth. When planting, be mindful of spacing. Give your plants enough room to grow and avoid overcrowding, which can lead to competition for resources and increase the risk of diseases. Section 4. Trimming and Pruning. Shaping your landscape. Trimming and pruning are essential practices for maintaining the health, shape, and size of your plants. Regular trimming encourages bushier growth and prevents plants from becoming leggy or overgrown. Pruning, on the other hand, involves removing dead, diseased, or damaged branches to maintain the plant's structure and health. Using sharp tools is crucial for clean cuts. Dull blades can crush plant tissues, making them more susceptible to diseases. Regularly sharpen your pruning shears, loppers, and saws to ensure clean, healthy cuts. When pruning, make cuts at a slight angle, just above a bud or lateral branch. This promotes new growth and prevents water from collecting on the cut surface, which can lead to decay. Remember that different plants have different pruning requirements. Research the specific needs of your plants and prune them at the appropriate time of year. Section 5. Safety and Maintenance. Protecting yourself and your tools. Safety should always be a top priority when working in the garden. Wear appropriate clothing, including long pants, long sleeves, and sturdy closed-toe shoes. Protect your eyes with safety glasses, especially when operating power tools or using chemicals. Gloves are essential for protecting your hands from thorns, splinters, and blisters. Use ear protection, such as earplugs or earmuffs, when operating loud equipment like mowers and trimmers. Proper tool maintenance is also crucial for safety and performance. Clean your tools after each use to prevent the spread of diseases and rust. Store tools in a dry place to prevent rust and corrosion. Regularly inspect your tools for any damage and make repairs or replacements as needed. By taking care of your tools and prioritizing safety, you can enjoy a lifetime of gardening.